Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm creating a cool tone eye makeup look. I normally always go for the warm tones in my eyeshadows, but today I just wanted to switch it up. So I first starting with the eyeshadow base, and for that I'm using Maybeline Color Tattoo Wet Eyeshadow in color Permanent Taupe, and just applying the color all over the lid with the flat synthetic brush. Once I have the base ready for my eyeshadows, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and the color Suede. I'm just gonna use the MAC 224 blending brush. I'm gonna apply the suede color directly into my crease, and I will repeat this step a few times until I'm happy how the color looks like. Next, I'm grabbing my MAC 221 smaller blending brush and just further deepening the crease with the same suede color from the palette. Then going back with the same brush I've used in the first step, it's 224 from MAC, a big blending brush, and just diffusing the edges so there's no harsh lines. For the lid color, I chose Flormar Silver Leaf eyeshadow and just packed it with my ring finger onto the lids just to get a better color payoff. With a flat synthetic brush, I just took some more product on the brush and just dab it onto the lid again, just to make sure that all the areas are covered nicely in the silver eyeshadow. With a brush E41 from Sigma, I took some more color from the palette, the suede color, and just went over the line where the two colors meet, so they transition nicely one into another. Next, I took some black eyeshadow from the palette, which is called Black Truffle, and draw the eyeliner with a flick, keeping it on the outer portion of my eyes. And for that, I used Da Vinci No. 6 flat synthetic brush. Then I took liquid eyeliner pen from Mary Kay and draw the line from the inner part of my eyes towards the flick I have created with the black eyeshadow from the palette. Once I was happy with my eyeliner, I took some mascara, and my all-time favorite is Stila Huge Extremelash mascara. Also applied some lashes from Penny Shop, and to finish off the eye look, I just moved on to do a bottom part of my eyes. And for that I used Kiko Milano black kohl pencil, which I have applied on the outer part of my eyes, and by using a small smudge brush from Fuchsia, I smoked out the kohl liner I just applied. I have also applied some of the black kohl pencil into my waterline just to intensify the eye look. To make sure that the black kohl pencil won't bleed and stay put throughout the day, I just went back to the same palette, the Rose Gold palette, took some Black Truffle black eyeshadow and just placed it on top on kohl pencil and repeated the same step on the other eye as well. I've also took some silver eyeshadow from the Flormar and then applied it just in the inner part of my eyes. Because I wanted my eyelids to appear more sparkly, I took some of Makeup Forever and diamond powder and silver color and applied it directly on top of the silver eyeshadow. And the last step, of course, is the lips. And for the lips, first I'm using Stripdown lip pencil from MAC. And a beautiful nude lipstick from Inglot Freedom Palette in color 06. And for the appearance of a bigger lips, it's always a good idea to apply some of the lip gloss. It can be a clear lip gloss or one with color. Just make sure you apply it in the middle part of your bottom and top lips, and this trick helps your lips to look bigger and plumper. And here is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all next week.